Today, we're diving deeper into making your PROFIBUS DP network run without hitches. Have you ever felt frustrated because your Wi-Fi was slow? Now, magnify that frustration for large industries. But fear not, with these 5 tips, you'll be a step ahead in preventing tech glitches. Quick background. What is PROFIBUS DP? In factories, sensors and actuators play a crucial role. They connect to industrial computers in a control room, often a programmable logic controller, or PLC. To link the PLC to the sensors and actuators, we use cables. Given the distance between field devices in the control room, using multiple cables becomes inevitable, which is costly and inefficient. With PROFIBUS DP, we can relocate the inputs and outputs closer to the sensors, and then connect them to the PLC using just a single RS-485. This method is not only more efficient, but also cost-effective. DP in PROFIBUS DP stands for Decentralized Peripherals. Traditionally, I/Os are centralized in a control room. By moving them next to the sensors and actuators, we decentralize these I/Os. Having introduced PROFIBUS DP, let's delve into what an ideal and healthy PROFIBUS DP network should resemble. Uninterrupted communication. A top-notch PROFIBUS DP network should maintain seamless communication, transmitting data continuously without glitches. Efficient error management. The network must swiftly and effectively handle minor issues. A robust monitoring system ensures you're promptly informed about any discrepancies. And blackout prevention. If there's a malfunction, the network should be adept at preventing a complete system shutdown. Now, let's explore some practical tips to maintain a robust PROFIBUS DP network. Tip 1. Diversify your cable paths. Avoid relying on a single cable. Just as a single highway accident can cause massive traffic, one cable issue can halt your entire network. Devices like PROFIHUBs act as a lifesaver, switching to a backup route if the primary one faces issues, ensuring uninterrupted communication. Tip 2. The right cable is crucial. Think of cables as shoes. You won't wear high heels for a marathon, or sneakers for a wedding, right? PROFIBUS DP has various cables designed for specific scenarios. Some can withstand rain, sun, or even constant movement, like on robot arms. It's crucial to pick the right fit. Also, don't forget the connectors. They're like laces. They need to match with the shoes, or in this case, the cables. Tip 3. Ensure your cables are grounded. Grounding is a bit like giving your cables a safety net. Cables often have a protective layer to guard them from unwanted signals. For this protective layer to do its job right, it needs to be connected or grounded to the earth. This grounding helps push away these unwanted signals. Make sure your cables are grounded correctly, both at the start and the end, and at points in between. Tip 4. Use fiber optic cables in noisy environments. In areas with significant electrical interference, regular cables might struggle. Fiber optic cables are designed to handle these challenges, transmitting signals clearly over long distances. When transitioning from regular cables to fiber optics, a converter is necessary. Optical link modules, or OLMs, serve this purpose, ensuring seamless communication between the two cable types. Tip 5. Keep a watchful eye. How do you know if your network is feeling sick? By keeping an eye on it all the time. This is called monitoring. It's like having security cameras. You can check if everything's running smoothly, spot potential issues before they explode, and quickly address any unexpected mishaps. Combrix is a wonderful tool for this. It's like the security room where all camera feeds are monitored, ensuring everything is on track. In conclusion, here's a quick recap. First, Don't rely on just one cable path. Have backups. Second, choose your cables wisely. They're the network shoes. Third, anchor those cables down with grounding. Fourth, in noisy places, opt for fiber optic cables. They're the champs. Fifth, always monitor your network's health with tools like ComBricks. Lastly, a shout out to Anybus Diagnostics, the sponsor for this video. Need expert help or tools? They're the go-to guys. Check out the link in the video description for their offerings. For those keen on learning more about PROFIBUS DP or other industrial network topics, don't forget to explore the Industrial Networking Skill Path on realpars.com. The link is in the video description. Thanks for joining us today. Keep in mind, a smooth network is a sign of a thriving industry. Cheers to efficient industrial networking.